Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you the fuse is for the windshield wipers on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008-2017. So if we have a Fiesta like that guys, including the ST, we'll show you okay which fuse is for the windshield wipers if they don't work. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So all we need to do now to show you that it doesn't work, turn the ignition on. Okay, check it out. Windshield wipers do not work and you think it might be the switch, right? Switch is very easy to replace, we have the video, check it out. But we'll turn the ignition off and I'll show you which fuse needs to be replaced, if that's the case. So now, the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. Okay, and those are the stops. Okay, once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it straight out. Okay, like that. You can see where the hinges are. Okay, that's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. Now we need to locate fuse number 11, 20M fuse. Okay, this one right here. We'll go ahead, pull it out. Okay, and replace it with a new one. Okay, this is out. Okay, we get the new one now. 20M fuse again, and we're going to push it in. Okay, I'll make sure it's all the way in. So let's go ahead, turn the key on now. Okay, check it out, wipers work perfectly fine. If your washing system doesn't work, okay, the one that sprays water, we have the video which fuse is for that as well. So if you need anything guys, just let us know, we'll try to make video for you. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.